welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Have you ever heard of a city where ancient rulers, traders and modern bankers all left their mark? A place where history whispers through the waves, temples tell stories and the aroma of fresh seafood fills the air. A city that has been ruled by kings, invaded by Europeans, shaped by revolutionaries and finally crowned as the cradle of banking in India. It's Mangalore, proudly called the Kudla, a city that is more than just a dot on the map, but a living, breathtaking story waiting to be told. So sit back as we take a journey through time, exploring the fascinating story of Mangalore, its rich history, vibrant culture, mouth-watering food, and why it is called the Rome of the East. Before Mangalore was a city, it was a legend. It is believed that a great sage, Parashurama, the warrior saint, threw his axe into the sea and the waters receded, revealing this land. And then came the goddess Mangala Devi, a powerful deity where temple still stands today, blessing the city that took her name, Mangalore. But legends alone don't build a city, battles do, and Mangalore has seen plenty. Dating back to the 3rd century BCE, this land was ruled by the mighty empires, the Mauryas, Kadambas, Alupas, Vijayanagar Empire and the Keladi Nayakas, each leaving behind incredible architecture, traditions and cultural imprints. Now, imagine Mangalore 700 years ago. Majestic forts guarded the coast, spice markets bustled with traders and the air was filled with the aroma of sandalwood and black pepper. But history wasn't always peaceful. In the 1500s, Portuguese explorers arrived, establishing trade routes and introducing European architectural styles that still influence Mangalore today. But their arrival also sparked conflicts over trade, leading to frequent battles with local rulers. Despite the foreign invasions, Mangalore's people fought back, ensuring that their traditions and identity remained strong. Over the centuries, Mangalore saw many rulers come and go, each leaving a mark on its history. By the 18th and 19th centuries, the region was drawn into larger conflicts, eventually falling into the British rule. But this period also saw Mangalore emerging as a major center for education, commerce and indigenous banking systems that would later shape India's financial sector. What makes a city truly alive? It's not just its history, it's the people, the traditions, the food and the energy that flows through its streets. And Mangalore is a city that breathes culture in every corner. Mangalore is a true blend of cultures. Here, you'll find temples standing alongside churches and mosques, each telling its own unique story. The Mangala Devi temple stands as a timeless symbol of devotion, drawing thousands of devotees. The St. Aloysius Chapel stuns visitors with its breathtaking friezes. And the Ullal Dargah brings people of all faiths together in the spiritual harmony rarely seen anywhere else. From the vibrant Yakshagana performance to the rhythmic beats of the Pilivesha during Dasara, Mangalore celebrates its traditions with unmatched enthusiasm. And what's a city without its food? Mangalore's cuisine is a festival of flavors, carrying the warmth of tradition in every bite. Ever tasted the soft, delicate neer dosa? Or the crispy, spicy kori roti soaked in the flavorful chicken curry? These dishes are not just meals. They are a part of Mangalore's soul. Seafood lovers, this is your paradise. Whether it's the iconic Bangude Pulimunchi, the fresh and tangy bhutai fry, or the smoky grilled anjal. Every dish here carries the essence of the Arabian Sea. And let's not forget the desserts. While the famous Gadbad ice cream steals the show with its colorful mix of fruits, nuts, and ice cream scoops stacked in tall glasses. Mangaloreans take pride in their roots while embracing the modern world with open arms. Surrounded by the Western Ghats on one side and the Arabian Sea on the other, Mangalore is a city where nature meets civilization in the most breathtaking way. From serene backwaters to sun-kissed beaches, from the towering coconut trees to endless paddy fields, Mangalore is a living painting, a masterpiece of nature and culture. And that's why Mangalore isn't just a city, it is an experience. Mangalore isn't just a historical city. It's a foundation stone of India's banking system. Some of India's most respected banks, Syndicate Bank, Canara Bank, Corporation Bank, Vijaya Bank and Karnataka Bank all trace their roots back to this very land. Long before online banking and ATMs, small businesses, traders and common people needed a system to safeguard their money. That's when visionary leaders from Mangalore stepped forward and revolutionized the way India handled finance. Karnataka Bank, established in 1924, still stands tall today as one of India's leading financial institutions, carrying forward Mangalore's legacy of trust and banking excellence. This small coastal city didn't just witness banking history, it created it. Fast forward to today, and Mangalore is no longer just about its glorious past. It's a fast-growing hub of education, technology and innovation. Home to prestigious institutions like the NITK Surathkal, St. Aloysius College and the Kasturba Medical College. The city is a powerhouse of knowledge, attracting students from all over India. And let's talk about the industries. From IT companies to startups, from the new Mangalore port fueling international trade to a large scale industries boosting the economy. Mangalore is stepping into the future with confidence. With its perfect blend of rich history and modern ambition, Mangalore is not just a city of the past, it's a city of endless possibilities. It is also a city full of breathtaking sights. Have you ever stepped inside the St. Aloysius Chapel? It's like entering a masterpiece, often called the Sistine Chapel of India. Its stunning ceiling paintings tell stories in the colors that take your breath away. And if you love nature, Pilikula Nisargadhama is a world of its own. Walk through its lush greenery, spot tigers lazing in the sun, watch crocodiles basking in the water, and even witness a traditional Mangalorean village come to life. Beach lovers, you're in for a treat. Panambur Beach, where golden sand meets the playful waves. Someshwara Beach, where massive rocks stand against the crashing sea. And Tanirbavi Beach, where the sunset paints the sky in the magical hues. Each beach has its own charm, and together they make Mangalore a coastal paradise. It's where history whispers through the temples, traditions come alive in the festivals, food carry the essence of culture, and modern ambition meets timeless charm. From the powerful legacy of its rulers to its revolutionary roles in India banking system, from spicy seafood delights to the breathtaking beaches, Mangalore is a living breathtaking masterpiece that welcomes the world with open arms. So whenever you're a traveler, foodie, history buff or dreamer, Mangalore has something waiting for you. And if you love this journey through the city, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering. Signing off, Page Pulse by Lee. See you next time.